Hi, my name is Barb Hush. I work for the Door County Library at the Forestville branch in Forestville, Wisconsin. And I'd like to show you a way to make some really easy Valentines with your kids. It's a really fun holiday when you can just cut out hearts or buy, little sparkly things or hearts to make your very own Valentines. And kids really like to make these for their moms and dads and grandparents and brothers and sisters and anyone else that they might want to make a Valentine for. So I have all kinds of different ways that I show the kids that they can do that. This is something I printed off online, and again, it's just a free website and something free that I printed off, and it's just a pretty heart. And they could fill it with whatever they wanted, little hearts like this they could glue on like this, just glue a bunch of hearts on. They could put sequins, or they could just color it, and then someone could write Happy Valentine's Day and make it into a card for whoever it was that they wanted it to go to. So I just thought that was easy. I use doilies a lot in my crafting. I just put these things here. They're going to all slide off, but so this is just a doily, and I glued on all kinds of different things like this, and hearts, and again, anything that you have that's pretty and sparkly, sequins or things like this that say little hearts like this that you can buy that say hugs. And here's XOXO. So kids like to do that, put all kinds of little message hearts on their Valentine projects. Here's one that I just took a purple heart like this, and I cut out little purple, pink, and red paper squares and made like a collage. And then you could either handwrite a little sign that says Happy Valentine's Day or I love you or something like that. I have this. I'd probably put this in the center, and they could give these out on Valentine's Day to friends and grandparents and anyone that they might want to give a Valentine to. I have red doilies that I work with making Valentines, and the white ones that I showed you before. You can buy these very inexpensively especially at this time of year. I've seen them at all the stores. So those are just fun to work with. I even have these. These are really pretty hearts that I picked up somewhere. I'm not even sure where I got them from. But so those are easy ways to make hearts. I'm sure you've all cut out hearts. If not, I'll just show you an example of what you can do. You take a piece of paper, you fold it in half. You're probably going to say you've done this, but if not, I'll show you what you do. Just do something like this, and you have a heart. You can make them in all shapes and sizes. This one just happens to be this size, a nice big one. But it's fun to cut out little hearts too. You just take your scissors and you make a heart. There you go. Very simple and very Valentine's-y. And if you have colored paper, pink or red or purple, that's even more fun. So just thought I'd give you a couple of ideas how to make some fast and easy and simple Valentines for family members or friends. All right, have fun, happy crafting, happy Valentine's Day. Thank you. Bye.